May adlaw nato din ang tanan mga ka-chessmas and welcome back to my channel. So salamat you guys sa
Halak ka.
May adlaw nato din ang tanan mga ka-chessmas and welcome back to my channel. So karong adlaw guys naatay i-unpack na package via Lala Move. Via Lala Move. Karon lang jud din ako nadawat pero ato ni siyang pagahisgutan karon ato ni. This will be my first time of course to do unpacking video. And let's see kung maganahan ba jud ko aning respirator nga ako ang gipalit from my previous training manager, of course, si Mr. John Arcosa. Hello, John! So, ato ning tan-awon ang imuhang baligya kung angay ba jud ning paliton namo. Ito guys, I just thought of buying a respirator because you know naman na I always go out and karon na GCQ na ta, medyo kuyaw-kuyaw na dyan, no? Kay daghan na kayong tao na manggawas na karon sa balay. And doesn't mean na GCQ happy-happy na ta guys. Dili dyan na mao. In fact, what we really need to do is to be more cautious sa ato ang paglakaw, sa ato ang mga gamit, kay because it's really not easy to get this virus, diba? Going back, kani may ato ang star karon ato ning tan-awon, ato ni unpack ang respirator na ako ang napalit from John. Wow! And siya so of course na siya the brand is actually 3M. It's a 3M brand. And this one is the filter. So yeah, this is the P100 filter and he said na worth 1,000 kapin daw guno ni siya. But yeah, if you want to know the exact price, just comment down below. But yeah, this is the filter. Another thing, of course, is the main respirator. So if you see, it's from 3M there. And ang iya pong giingon nako before I bought this, ingon daw siya nga approved daw guno ni siya sa NIOSH. I really don't know what NIOSH is, or NIOSH. Ako na siyang i-try og research later, but yes, approved by NIOSH daw guno ni siya. So NASCAR performance. Let's see. So I bought the small one. Na it comes in 3 sizes. We have small, medium, and large. But medyo gamay-gamay mo kuno ay kugnaw. Char lang. Gamay-gamay mo kuno kugnaw. So I just bought the small one. So let's see. There! And instead, yeah, the one nung different types. But it's really nice. It's a really nice respirator. If you see the brand here, it's 3M. And ingon siya, this is where we place the filter. But let me try it. Kalisod ba dayan sa gamitan, but yeah, I think it. Oh, there. Wow. Alright. Now there's a clip dito sa likod. Pwede din mo siya matarik-tarik yan eh. Kaduman pa muna ko guys. But yeah. Alright. What I like about it, okay. What I like about it, it's very breathable and lightweight. It looks very heavy, no, but it's not. Nindot kaya siya sa feeling. This is silicone. Okay, kibalo na ko unsaon siya pagbutang di ay. There. Pero makaguba siya sa tuang buhok nga 7 na lang kabuk mahibigan. Anyway, so let's unpack the filter. Tanaw na to how this. And check the filter. Okay. So dako-dako dahil siya nga filter na mo siya ng padding din. But It's nice. It's pink. And kailangan po din mo, ingon siya na ko, imo daw kuno ni siyang maggamit 6 months and then you can change it. But it really depends as well kung magsige po kag gawas-gawas or whatnot. Yeah. I will also link the the full description of this respirator down below or sa comments below. So let's see. Let's try it on. So, inganin ako malakaw guys kung mag-grocery. So there. Again guys, it's best for us to have a good protection dyan sa virus, no? Especially now, again, nag-GC na ta. So it's really better na we will get something like this. I know natay makitaan ani gali sa online, sa Shopee and Lazada, but we just really have to make sure na it's authentic. Kay, di ba? What's the respirator for? John, this is a very good product. Thank you so much for introducing this to me. It's good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, this is EJ, your buddy, guys. See ya.